You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is real.
As a boy, I eat my wishes on golden toothpicks and digested them with wolf intestines. I fell from the heavens as a fetish blessed with an operatic skeleton. And as the stars watch me descend, I cracked the family tree and chopped off all of the branches. I'm not afraid.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.